Every day, billions of us tap a screen or stream a video, and the response feels immediate. We treat these digital interactions as weightless, as if the data is floating in an invisible void around us. In reality, every computer is an isolated machine. It can calculate and store local files, but it cannot communicate through raw electrical signals without a rigorous set of shared rules. This raises a problem of distance and language. How does your specific device talk to a server thousands of miles away in the time it takes to blink? To see the solution, we have to slow down time and track the millisecond by millisecond journey of a single request, starting the moment you type a web address into your browser. Tracing this journey leads directly to the massive, highly structured physical system running continuously behind the scenes, computer networking. The journey starts with a domain name, like Google.com. While humans communicate with names and letters, computers require numerical addresses to identify where information should go. The Domain Name System, or DNS, acts as a translator. It takes that text and finds the corresponding numerical IP address, giving your computer a specific destination on the global network. With the destination identified, the computer prepares the data for transmission. However, the system cannot move large files as a single monolithic block. Instead, information is divided into smaller pieces called packets, allowing for efficient movement across crowded digital pathways. Each packet contains internal labels, including the source address, destination address, and a segment of the actual data. This fragmentation ensures the data can survive the journey. If one transmission path fails, individual packets can find alternate routes and reassemble once they arrive. These packets hit a physical choke point, the local router. Data moves through these physical ports, transitioning from your private device to the public network. The router acts as a traffic controller. It reads the destination IP addresses on your packets and forwards them toward the internet service provider. Past the router, the request enters a global infrastructure of subterranean trenches where thick bundles of physical cables pulse with light. Every digital experience depends on thousands of miles of glass, copper, and steel to physically transport data to the rest of the world. Your packets race through regional vaults and national backbone networks. Moving data at this scale requires a vast system of physical maintenance and hardware engineering. To bridge geographic gaps, the signal may travel through the hardware antennas of cellular towers or beam to satellite links to reach remote locations. For international requests, data travels through armored fiber optic cables that run along the ocean floor, connecting continents with pulses of light. Eventually, the packets reach a data center and find their specific destination, the server. These uniform rows of server racks process requests globally. The server processes your request, builds the response, like the website you searched for, and sends it back through the same global maze to your screen. Your browser displays the result, completing a round trip spanning oceans and physical infrastructure in milliseconds. In modern engineering, the most critical metric for this journey is latency, the delay in communication. Modern applications are highly distributed. A single app may be constantly communicating with remote databases, authentication systems, and payment gateways located in different data centers. If those requests take too long, the user experience degrades. Online gaming, AI assistants, and autonomous vehicles all rely on this instantaneous feedback to function safely and effectively. This interconnected system is what makes cloud computing possible. The cloud is simply the ability to access these remote resources through a high-performance network. The internet is a collection of billions of smaller interconnected networks, corporations, governments, and homes, all linked through a physical system that powers every digital experience we have today.